Hardwood Flooring. We're here in the Stallone's daughter's home. We're back to this mansion, and what we're doing is they removed some cabinets, and now we're patching in around. There was like an L of plywood here. We cannot just remove the plywood and fill it with wood, because you will see all the seams in the same direction, and it will look like a patch. So that's why we're lacing in, cutting some boards, and we're gonna lacing it in and make it look like nothing happened here. This repair is done. We had to do a strong splice not to see the boards like a patch. They connect really good. We're already sanding this area that we just installed and repaired, and this is like a safety room in the master bedroom. This is where we have to match into, and we're getting there. Secret closet or area or room in this master bedroom is ready to go. Let's look inside. See how it looks like a hidden place, and we're gonna finish it now. Let's start with the water dyeing process. You always put the water like so. And it has a bevel, like we have it here. Make sure the liquid goes into the rubber. Okay? Nice and even. Just colored it with the water dye. Looks wet. We're done finishing this little room, this little safety room, and it's shiny, but it will dry out perfect. If you can see it, it matches pretty good, right? Once it dries, it'll be perfect. Okay, and this is how it looks, this little room in here. It's kind of cool, isn't it?